All right, guys, we're here today with
Terrence.
And Terrence wants to learn how to do a
Fakie frontside flip.
Out of all the tricks, this is not an easy trick, it's a hard trick. Okay, so how long have you been trying to learn this trick?
Oh, like 2 days.
2 days, that's it? I was
Yeah.
waiting for like 2 months, 2 years, 9 years. How long have you been skating?
Like 2 years.
2 years, okay, great. Okay, you got a lot of tricks for 2 years. So first, we're gonna start out with what tricks you know.
Oh, I got kick flip.
Let's see it. You can't just call it out. You can,
Ooh.
okay.
Does that count? Another one?
Do it again.
Yeah.
Okay, good.
Okay.
So for this trick, you need kickflip and a good frontside 180.
Yeah.
You got it?
Do I have to rotate my shoulders or?
Yeah, rotate your shoulders.
Oh.
Yeah, sick. Okay, but now the interesting thing, normally I would say, do you know a regular frontside flip? I already asked him that, he said no.
Nah.
But he wants to learn it fakie because why?
It's easier.
Easier
With the
fakie.
rotation.
Okay, I think you're right. I actually think it is a little easier fakie. So, you want to jump right into it?
Yeah.
All right, let's see. Let's see.
Just right now?
Yeah,
All
right now.
Woo.
Oh,
Wait,
first
what
try?
Wait, what the hell?
First try, let's go.
Wait, no, I can't get the full 180 though, that's the problem.
Okay, we're gonna teach you how to do it. So it has happened to me before where somebody's like, I cannot do this trick. And I say, well, try. And then they land it.
Yeah, no.
Okay, so the weight, you wanna have your weight landing on this foot. So luckily you're skating the same way as me, right foot forward? So let's do a 180 where you just go like, start out with that pivot. Yeah.
Okay.
You got that, right?
Yep.
Let's do it again.
Oof, that's scary.
Is that scary?
A little bit.
He said that's scary. Why is that
scary.
scary? Now I need to know
Slippery
everything.
here. Slippery.
Slippery?
Yeah.
Okay.
All right.
Okay. He got himself. He said that's scary. Normally I would have him do that until it's not scary.
Yeah.
Because you're gonna have to add a kickflip into there.
Yeah.
So essentially, what you need to do is that exact same thing with the kickflip.
Yeah.
So you can kind of flip it, and even if you go 90, if you're landing here with your weight on that foot, boom, you got it.
Pivot it.
Pivot it.
Oh.
I'll teach you also the full way, see if we can get both.
Yeah.
But first, why don't you learn that? Because it's...
That's a little scary. Like, cause like
scary?
with the flip.
What's scary?
Like with the flip and like landing 90 and pivoting, that's scary. That's terrifying.
What could go wrong? I'm just...
Primo, and you just...
Primo and you're turning.
Yep.
Okay, this is interesting.
Let's try one.
So you're less scared to go full spin.
Ooh, that was a bad one.
Here, Chloe, come over here. You can, yeah, you'll be like kind of right there and we'll go this way.
Oof.
Okay.
Pivot.
It's funny because I put the mic on him and he's like, I can't skate with things in my pocket. And I was like, me too. I also cannot. But I have to get used to it because you have the mic in the pocket. But now, I was like, let me try. And then I was like, I can't. I have the phone in my pocket. Okay, now, let's try. You want me to do one pivot?
Yeah.
Okay, I need to warm up myself. I'm just getting my ankle back to battery, so let's see if I can even kick flip. Woo. Ow, that hurt. That hurt though.
It's good. Oh, frontside flip.
I bet you could learn frontside flip too.
Ah.
Why, you tried?
Yeah, I cannot get the rotation at all.
It's harder, it's hard.
Frontside, it's the way to go.
Okay, it's interesting that he finds this one easier. We're gonna go fakie. Whew. Like not fully rotated either, a little pivot. But okay, try that. I think you're right, I think it is easier.
All right, pivoting it. Oh.
Okay, go all the way back and give yourself a nice push, set up, and focus on your upper body first. Upper body, rotate first, then flick.
All right. Oh, what the heck? Oh my gosh, what is happening?
Well, you got it.
What is happening right now? I don't know.
It's gonna take a lot of tries. I don't know what to say.
Right here.
That's part of it.
Man,
okay.
It's difficult now.
What? You are literally this close.
I don't know what happened. The first try was the best, man.
I can tell you what's happening. You're flipping it like this. It's perfect. Your feet are right there, and then you go like this. Nah.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
All right.
You're just stepping off. I think what would help me is to do the 180 a couple more times.
Yeah?
Yeah, try
With
it.
the pivot or just 180?
With, without. I'm interested to see how you do it normal.
Oh. See, now I'm like getting put on the spot, you know? So, like with the camera and everything.
Don't worry, no camera. Yeah. So it gets you used to landing.
Oh my gosh.
Keep the feet on, you got it.
Bro.
It's all up here.
I think doing the flip by itself is like easier, you know? Like doing it with the flip is easier.
Okay.
Just the 180.
Okay, you got it.
All
Well,
right.
your 180s are also good though. You know, you're doing it.
Bro.
Bro, what the heck are you doing?
I just need to jump on
Land
this.
it.
I just need to jump on this now.
Okay, I'm gonna film it with my phone, slow-mo, and show you what's occurring. Okay, ready?
Yep.
You got it. Follow cam.
Oh my gosh. That was a bad try.
That was a bad try. Okay,
All
run
right.
it this way.
Bro, it's the stage fright, you know?
You got stage fright?
Yep.
Why? There's no
The
camera. Don't matter.
The camera, you know? All right, right here.
Oh. Yeah.
See, it's only 90 degrees though, you know? That's the furthest it goes.
But some of those were not.
yeah.
And then you just got to get used to land on that one foot and pivot.
All right. I'm not sure.
It was a good practice try.
Yep. All right, right here.
Yeah.
It's right here. I just gotta pivot.
You just got to pivot. Yeah. I'm going to show you what that looks like so you can see. So your upper body, check it out. You need to turn your shoulders first. So what you're doing is you're popping with your legs, you're flicking, and then your shoulders are not turned, and then you're trying to go like that, but you can't because your shoulders are locking you up.
All right.
So watch my shoulders. I'm gonna turn my shoulders a lot first, right?
Yeah.
That was a bad example, but you get the idea.
Again.
Yeah, again.
Woo. Rotation though. All right.
Rotation, it's key to not get frustrated. Don't worry about the camera, it doesn't matter.
All right, right here then.
You got it.
Oh.
Yeah!
I need to turn my shoulders. All right, right here for the camera.
Right here for the camera. That was it!
Man,
That was freaking it!
so close.
Okay, back to back.
All right, right here. Oh man. Bro.
I'm just gonna learn this trick with them because I'm doing the same thing. Not quite fully rotated. You're right there.
Man.
Now I'm telling you, you're just not putting.
What the?
Yeah.
It's just a fake.
Now turn.
Oh no. I kind of want to.
That's the worst one.
All right,
yet.
thank you, Jose. Holy.
Turn your upper body more.
All right.
It's all here. You're locking up here.
Oh, I was going too fast.
This is like one of those tricks that somebody does in a game of skate, and I can do it on defense, but it's really bad.
Oh, it makes it harder to like kick it, you know? I don't get the rotation.
When you turn?
Yeah, I don't get the flick.
Yeah, so we have to work out doing the rotation and the
Yeah.
flick at the same time.
Do you think I can do it without rotating my shoulders? Like just pivoting like.
You can, yeah, you could. You could pivot it.
Ooh.
Why do I keep doing that?
Hold on.
You're like really close though. It's right there.
Oh.
Yeah, your left knee, if you bend it more and land on the tail, you're good.
All right. I think I'm like going too fast as well, you know?
Slow it down then.
Oh my gosh. I'm sorry, but like I think my friends are about to leave.
You gotta bounce?
Yeah.
Land it!
Right here.
You got it!
Right here. Oh.
That was it! Okay, you got it right here.
Nah.
It's easier going this way.
I think I gotta go. They're leaving.
One more try.
All right, last try. Right here. Come on.
Last try right here. I'll do it and then you do it, okay?
Yep.
I'm gonna get a good one and you get a good one.
Ooh. Oh my gosh.
You gotta run? Okay.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
It's okay.
I'm sorry we didn't finish the video.
It's all good. All right, have fun.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, you're welcome.
That really helped.
You got the trick. Just land on the pivot, okay?
Have a good one.
Okay, he had to roll, but that was super interesting because you could see exactly with his upper body, head and shoulders, he needed to turn more and then flick. But as soon as he started to add that upper body in there, then he was having trouble with the flick. So it's interesting because you can change one thing that's helpful, but then that can make another thing fall out, which means you just need a lot of repetition and practice and practice and practice. But here I am teaching this fakie frontside flip. And also, what do you guys call this? Leave it in the comments below. Because some people call this a fakie backside flip. Fakie backside flip or frontside flip, leave it in the comments below. I'm really interested to know. So I feel like I need to now get this good myself so that then I can better teach the concept there. Even though I don't really need to do it myself, I could just see what's occurring and then correct as is necessary. But I gotta get a good one for my own personal well-being. Okay, let's run it. I nearly did the splits. That would have been so good if I would have done the splits. Better. Let's run it back. I need to get one that I'm like, well, that was proper. Let's see if I can spin it all the way in the air. Not really. Let's try it again. Give it a Mongo push setup. Is this the song from Frozen?
Absolutely.
This is my song. I don't care. I don't know the other part of the lyrics. Okay, right here for Frozen. Not my favorite one ever, but you know what? I'm gonna take it.
What do you see that I don't see?
Okay, so if I'm rolling this way, a full 180 would be like that.
Yeah,
But I'm going like, maybe like a 160.
I see. And pivoting the rest.
Well, now that you called me out, yeah, I'll do it better. Right here for Chloe and Frozen. Frick, I got too nervous in the Frozen for the people. It's a weird trick because you're rolling backwards, you got to get your foot out of the way, and then the board needs to rotate that way, which is like kind of, the board is going into you on the rotation, so we got to get it.
Woo!
I give that like a 9.5 out of 10. Let's get a 10 out of 10.
Okay. Woo! Are you not satisfied with that one?
Okay, I got it. I'm just being mean to myself, maybe.
Okay.
Okay, land it, Aaron. Feel good. Be good. Do good.
Woo! That was it though, right?
I'll take it. You know what? You know what's fun about skateboarding? Learning. You can take a trick that you're not that good at or that you've never done and learn it. Get out there and have an absolute blast learning how to ride a skateboard. We got everything you need at brailleskateboarding.com. Let's go.